Hey everybody, 47 Mark IV here, back with FTB's Revelation pack. So it seems that you guys really like immersive engineering, and I'm so stoked that you do. I've been pumping oil and getting ready. So as you can see, I've doubled up our pump jack setup, and I put it on Ender Tank and moved the main storage into the base. And I did a little stuff out back here. So kind of just, made myself a flat area, and I might have, once or twice picked up a core sample. So stuff like this, there we go. Found more oil out in the world, and actually found a bunch of ore veins that I'd really like to take a look at. Like this one, yeah, pyrite vein. I want to dig that up and find out. There's more oil. There's cassiterite. I don't know, I just want to excavate it. So here's what I'd like to do today. Clearly, we're going to build more stuff, so I need myself a metal press, and I want to set down the refinery. Let's get this thing going. So I've got all the parts already right in here. So first thing, let's go grab a metal press, and let's throw this thing on automation, because I'm going to need wire. If we're going to do immersive engineering, you got to have wire. So I think I can squeeze this guy in right here. Let's go ahead and get the metal press. I probably could do this off from memory. I say that as I can't find it because it never makes sense. It's heavy machinery. Right? So Redstone Engineering block is the one on the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead. Yeah, right here. And let's build the metal press. So I think I can just kind of plop this guy here. And we'll do 2-second automation here. All right, so piston right there. And then the heavy engineering block goes above it. Hello? There we go. And we'll rotate, rotate this guy around. And I always forget, where do I click? Right, is this? There we go. Got the metal press. All right, so I need to bring power up top. So let's grab some flux ducts. And I can't remember, can you hook directly up? These will be just fine. There should be power right here if I don't destroy the whole place. Yeah, so let's grab these guys. And we'll go ahead and just bring it on up. And I think I can do that. Yep, it's all powered up. Cool. And then I just need a couple of things. So let's grab 2 chests. Just like this. We'll get an importer and an... No, we're definitely going to want an import bus, but we're going to want an interface. Yeah, and I'll take one of those. We'll grab some cable. Let's see. I'm going to want... Do I have transfer nodes? Yeah, I'd really prefer transfer nodes and transfer pipes for this. All right there. There we go. Okay, so just kind of setting this guy up. This is input. So I can just kind of chuck that down. Yeah, and if I put, sorry, I'm designing on the fly, as always, right? Let's see, I want my transfer node to point right into this guy, which means the chest goes right there. All right, so we'll put the chest down. We'll transfer node in. And I like the transfer node because if you use gears, it knows to put 4 on there. And that's always really handy. All right, so oak chest to pick it up. Cool. And then I should be able to, let's import from this guy right there. And then we just got to bring a cable around. And, I guess we can, oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm struggling with how does it, look nice, right? I don't want it to just look awful like this one out-of-place thing. So let's do this. Yeah, let's do exactly this. Let's go ahead and put the interface on the bottom of this guy. And, we can cheese this wire across. Just like this. Yeah, then I can cover it up. And it'll look better, right? And I should be able to come in over here somewhere. And pick up the other end of that cable. Yeah, and then I'll just bring it up on this block that I'm standing on. Nice. Nice. All right, so bring this guy right on up. And, I can connect into this. Cool. And then I guess I'll just bring it up the back. I mean, I'd like it to come over, but, you know, you got to do with what you can do. So somewhere right there, cool. Done. All right, put my piece of floor back. So then I should just be able to set patterns on this, and that's going to show up as a chest. So what I'm going to do is let me grab a copper, right? And I can chuck some... Oh, nope. I need the book. I need the book. What's that called? That's a tome. Give me back my tome. Oh, do I have 2 astral tomes? Hold on, let's look. No. Okay, all right. Give me this guy then. Hey, let's put everybody together. Cool. All my books in one place. All right, so we will slap 1 copper right down on this guy. Oh, derp, you got to build the pattern, right? I'm going to need a stamp. Is that what it's called? No. It's a press plate? Yeah, this guy right here, a mold. Oh, and I need the engineer's workbench. Can I just click that out? Yeah, I can. All right. Okay, we can still get this done. So that means I need a blueprint, right? Isn't that what I need? So mold. Let's go right here. So I need the metal press mold. So that's that right there. So I just need 1 plate. And let's see, that's Invar. Was it an iron plate or was it a steel plate? I mean, it can't hurt me to have one either way. No, it wasn't the iron, so it must be a steel plate. Yes. Okay, so put this guy in here. Yeah, and then what did I need? So let's go back to mold. What do I need to get this guy? So I need 5 steel plates and engineer's wire cutters. So 2 sticks and an iron. All right, so I can do that, right? Cutters, right here, engineer's wire cutters. Give me those guys. And then plates. And I think that was iron plates. You know me and my memory. Can never remember. Let's just make a bunch of those guys, and I'll kind of drop off the things that I don't need at the moment. All right, so there's my iron plates. Let's go in here. Right, this guy, all of that. No, I should have looked. Derp. Gotta look. It's probably steel because it's immersive. Yeah, it's steel. All right, so let's go and get a bunch of steel plates. Steel plates, here we go. I mean, it's not like plates are going to go to waste, right? All right, iron, steel, there's 4. There we go, there's 5. Pick these guys up, put those guys down. Right, pull out my metal press mold. Cool. And let's see. Nope, don't jump up on him. And slap that guy up on there. Here you go, take this ingot, put it on there. And now let's program it up and order up. All right, so I need... Right, is it going to show up as copper? Yeah, copper wire. And I'm glad we did that because I would have put 1 for 1. All right, so let's make our pattern here. This is processing. No, this is crafting. No, it's processing. Man, some days. 1 of those equals 2 of these. Go ahead and put that in there. And I want that so I can order just an absolute ton of wires. And then all I got to do is sneak it on this one interface. And, you know, it was probably called chest, maybe, if I looked in the monitor. Right, let's come down here. Let's look for something new. That's machine. Nothing. Oak chest. So it'd be a little hard. Maybe I should have used a different color chest. All right, so let's go ahead and grab just a bunch of wire here. Yeah, go ahead and give me like 300 of those wires. Cool. All right, so that's all done and automated and online. We got ourselves a metal press. I like it. Now, the other thing that I want to build, God, I kind of want to build it out in the daylight. Right? Do I have a sleeping mat? Yeah, let's go ahead and take a little snooze. Right here. I want to build the refinery. Having this oil is just driving me crazy. So let's go ahead and take these guys. I already built all the parts, and let's find ourselves a good spot. I don't think it much matters. And you know, we got this one right here. Let's see how big this guy is. Let's see how big it is. Engineer's manual. And, oh yeah, we got to open it up to the right page. Oil processing distillation tower. Yeah. So let's project this guy. right there. And let's see how much. Oh, so it's small. It's small. You know, I'm going to put it. Let's look at chunk lines. Yeah, I'm just going to put it in this next chunk right here. And I don't think it matters. Can I F5 this and see it? Not really. Can't really see it that well. All right, well, we'll just kind of take a guess here. And let's rotate her around. All right, pipes on this side. All right, so I think I want the pipes over there. That's my best guess for input. And we'll stick it right here. Cool. Yeah, let's go ahead and start building this guy. You know, my brain has just been working on got to have one of these things. All right, so let's go ahead and assemble this whole thing. Let's see, right here. The projector makes this so much easier than the way it used to be. Right there, piece of pipe, up we go. All right, there's that one Redstone Engineering block, done. All right, so another pipe, and I feel like you're more of those. And what are you? What are you? Okay, you're scaffolding, and you're going to be one of many sheet metals. More sheet metal. Right here, right there. We'll get the pipe. The pipe. That guy. All right. Okay, I'm getting the pattern here. We just got to do this over and over again. Whoa, we got a platform. Got a platform. All right, so that there. And then it's going to be... Yeah, I think I can build off from this, right? Ooh, I hope that block... Oh, you're telling me you're in the wrong spot. Was there not supposed to be a block there? I feel like there is. Oh! Oh, you're not full blocks. I didn't see that in the book. Hold on a second. Hold the phone. Let's go back to the book. I think I overlooked something here. It does not say that this is partial, that it's scaffolding slabs. All right, well, I mean, we can do this. I just want to see it build up here. Sure enough, there's slabs right there. Let's see, stop. Oh, yeah, so I'm going to need a lot. Everything else now is all slabs. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's do this. Let's grab ourselves... I guess I don't need a crafting table. I could do it right here. Right? I'm just going to convert over a lot of these to slabs, and we'll see what happens. All right, good to know. Did not know they were slabs. All right, so let's just continue this guy around. And this is going to be a big structure. I am super, super stoked. I just want to know. All right, here we go. All right, so it's telling me that that guy is in the wrong space. All right, what are you? Okay, you're piping, but are you in the wrong space? No, you're like together. That's weird. Okay, hey, if you're in the right spot, you know, if something's wrong, it's going to be that block right there. All right, so you are regular. You're regular. Right there. Okay. I could see that driving lots of people nuts if they didn't know. All right, so over here, you're regular. All right, so it's going to be regular all up the side. So I might have over-converted stuff. I might have made too many. But, you know, we have them on auto-crafting. Not the biggest deal in the world. Right? Wasting a little bit of steel, I'm not going to cry over. All right, right there. Right here. Man, this thing's going to be huge! All right, just a little bit more. Right, get those guys in there. So you're a regular block, continuing up. You're a pipe. All right, there's more pipe. Then we got to figure out how this thing works, right? Like what ports do what. All right, so it looks like it's only a couple more levels because then we're going to run out of sheet metal, and I'm sure the sheet metal is exact. All right, so I am out of scaffolding. So let's just grab, yeah, I got one here. And you know, this is a good block, so we might as well make a bunch of it. Guess I can chuck those guys back in there. All right, here we go. Let's see, right here. And then I need more of these little guys. So it'd be good to count this. I mean, you guys can see how many we're using, right? I think I started with 60. So whatever we got left over is how many too many I made. All right, right there, right here. Ah, we're like one layer away. Right here, right there. Green box all the way around it. All right, let's turn off chunk lines and let's try to figure out where we could possibly hit this thing. So usually it's around these blocks, right? Nope, not the pipe. Not here. Man, where do you turn this thing on? Come on. Oh, right there. Okay, that side of the Redstone Engineering block. Ah, yeah. Okay, so let's check this out here. We've got input. We've got output. Can I change you? No. Okay, so you're definitely input. And you're... I don't know what you are. You don't look to be anything special. But you're output, so there's at least one in, one out, and one mystery. And I'm supposed to get like 3 things out of this. Right? Okay. All right, so let's do this. Let's get some power. Do I have a power cell to spare? Oh, yeah. I got this one right here. All right, so let's charge this guy up right there. And let's make some pipe. I mean, let's be classic about this. Let's make a bunch of pipe. Right? We can chuck this other stuff back in here. Give me 10 more pipe. Right? And I'll take this ender tank off. And let's see. All right, so I should have rotated it, but, you know, I didn't know where things were. Not really that big of a deal. Let's just kind of come across here. All right, so you're at 0%, and I don't know if you're going to output, right? I don't know if you'll output. Can I see fluid level at all? And that's the thing. I don't know. Oh, that was kind of different. I don't know if it's, yeah, do you need a redstone signal? So let's do this. Let's get a couple of tanks. Let's, no, not offhand. Wrong button. All right. You know what? Let's get a drum. Because drums, I'm pretty sure I can empty. What happens if I put you there? Nothing. Oh, no! I broke it. Hold on. This side of the block. All right. Oh, so you're outputting bitumen. Okay, now I got you. All right. So you did process something. All right, so we can do this. You are processing. All right, so that's helpful. Maybe it needs to be reformed afterwards. What are you? Gasoline. Okay, so that's where the gasoline comes out. Oh. Oh, hold on a second. What if we can do multiple fluids right along this? Let's go ahead and let's grab some more drums. Oh, can I not? I guess I don't have drums on auto crafting. All right, so just a quick second's crafting here. Let's grab a bunch of drums, and let's see if we can get all the fluids out of one pipe. All right, so gasoline, go right in there. Right, and assuming that everybody's gasoline, what are you? What are you? You're diesel. Nice. What are you? Okay, you're diesel too, and you're diesel. All right, let's, whoa, way too much. All right, can I just kind of clear you guys out? Because I thought I was supposed to get one more fluid. And so I could probably do this with a fluid filter of some kind. Right, so let's, yeah, you are, you're lubricant. Cool. All right, we got gasoline, we got lubricant. Oh, I shouldn't have cleared all of those. And your diesel. Perfect. I got my 3 fluids out. And you know, there was one more block that I wanted to play with here, and that was an automatic lubricator. Yeah, this guy right here. Let's get the little lubricant can to begin with. All right, so it needs plates, iron plates. See, I told you we were going to need plates. Let's go ahead, and let's just get like 100 plates going. All right, and I can put my bitumen in there. And let's get these guys here. So let's see, iron plates right here. There and there. Wasn't that the recipe? All right, lubricator. Ah, wrong thing all the time. Lubricator. So I want to try the little one. Right, iron plates, a bucket. Ah, okay. So, can I fill you up? How do I fill you up from a thing here? Oh, You got to fill it up on the right can. Ah, nighttime's coming. I really want you to see this. I need to get lights on the side of this thing, right? Because that's, the big old towers always have like a spotlight. Oh, I totally need the immersive spotlights on here. Oh, man. You know how awesome that would look? The big old tower with spotlights on it? All right, I might have to make that. All right, so this guy has 5 buckets in it. Oh, now it's got an interface for power. So that's gasoline. Can I shift-click you in somewhere? So you go right here, and I'm not sure what that's telling me. Your crude oil level, your gasoline, right? One of you, your diesel, your gasoline. I could have sworn that one of you was... Oh, I emptied the drum. All right, so I got to fix this whole system, right? Some filtered fluid nodes, something like that, will totally work. But that's what's going on here. All right, so it's got an interface. She's filling up with gasoline. And I'm assuming that it's got, yeah, I know why, too. Because that other stuff is in the way, right? So it's in the pipe here. What are you? You're diesel. Gasoline, diesel. Okay, all right. We're going to fix this. Hold on. Let's just do it right. Let's do this. Let's go get ourselves... We already got filters. They're right here. Right? Restricts what can pass through it. And then let's get ourselves a fluid duct. Yeah, with this servo. Yeah, that's a good plan. That's a much better plan. All right, can I make more fluid ducts? I really want the hardened ones if I can. All right, there we go. Okay, better plan. Yeah, I like this a lot better. All right, so we'll transfer. I mean, either one of these plans would work. I just like this one. All right, so let's see. Right here, right there, right here, right? And I should be able to set these guys. So I'm going to whitelist diesel. And that's diesel buckets. But I assume that works. I don't know. You know how we could tell? Let's go ahead. Well, we'll put them all on. And I can whitelist gasoline. See, I was expecting it to show up as a fluid. And I'm going to blacklist diesel and gasoline. Right? Diesel. Right there. Let's see if this works. I'm not convinced that that's going to. Is the filter on the wrong way? I think it's on the right way, right? Pointing to where it goes. Empty drum. And is it because it's all backed up with gasoline and diesel? And where's the lubricant? Right on top. Does it drain out of the bottom? So this might be working, or it might be a terrible fail. So you're diesel, and you're diesel. Are you going to get better? No, you're not. No! Can I not filter fluid ducts? Harden filter. Filter fluids, right? Fluids, filter options. Am I just not thinking about this right? You are a hardened fluid duct. You're a filter. I am going to get this. I am. Yeah, just like that. Right? So I'm going to whitelist only diesel. Why does the bucket worries me? Right? Okay, I mean, let's try them all. Maybe it's just an order of things. Right? So you are gasoline, whitelist. Oh, it totally works. All right, so I've got to drain this guy down just like this. Everybody was in the way. So I got to pull all the gasoline out of this guy. And let's see. Drum of gasoline, whitelisted. Let's just make sure. Let's pull it off and put it back on. Whitelist, gasoline. Yep, there we go. Okay, all right. So it's just being fussy. All right, so let's do this. And we're going to blacklist the other two. Right? Blacklist those guys. I saw it go into the drum. Well, yeah, we'll go ahead and get rid of a little bit of that. There we go. So that should, yeah, so that should get rid of everybody. It's just transfer speed, honestly. I think this guy's going faster than this pipe can pull out. Like, I need a faster transfer method. All right, cool. I wish I had more ports to pull out of, but I mean, that's how we learn, right? So I'm going to look at this because it is just processing away. And let's see. Yeah, so it's got to be speed of things, right? Yeah, it's just got to be speed. Yeah, I'd like more of that lubricant. Okay, anyways, before I get distracted, this is just what I want to know. I'm supposed to be able to lubricate this guy, and maybe it goes right in there, and it's supposed to make it go faster. That's what I heard, but there was also a block that was called the automatic lubricator. So let's go ahead and grab that. Lubricator. I just want to know. Right here, pull this guy out, and I want to look at it. Do you take power? No. Okay, that's where you're going to clearly take fluids, and you attach onto the machine somewhere. And I have no idea where this guy attaches on. Right? Let's just take a look around. I don't know. I don't know where you would go. There's like no more ports. But let's just kind of set it down. Boy, I wish I had that lubricant back. Can I? Okay, so I can put you in there. Can I rotate you? I can. I don't know. I got to figure out where to lubricate this guy at. You know what we can do? Hold on. When in doubt, consult the book. Consult the book. Right? Automatic lubricator. We'll do this for you. Attached. Once you attach to a machine, the point where it must be attached is highlighted while holding the lubricator in your hand. Oh. Let's see. Can I pick you up? I'm afraid I'm just going to lose all that lubricant I had. All right. Do we see a highlight anywhere on here? I don't see it. Do you guys see it? Right? I've got it in my hand. What about with this? What about with this other one? Do I see it now? Let's just search. I don't see anything there. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to, looks like I'm going to have to consult the Google to find out. I don't know. I'm sure there's a specific spot and I just am not seeing it. I don't know. But we'll figure it out, man. We'll figure it out and we'll get this guy all attached up and pump over lubricant to him and it'll go faster. Although, you know, at the speed that this thing is going, I just can't get it out of here faster. So I'm going to work on maybe better pipes or something. I don't know. I got to think about it a little bit. And maybe I'll swap over to these pipes once I get stuff in my drums. I just think that's cool. So let's go ahead and set that guy down and I'll figure that out later. But yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to get done, man. We got our big old distillation tower. We are now in the oil business. I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm 47 Mark IV, and you know, hey, I hope you enjoyed the episode. We'll learn about all this oil stuff together. If you liked it, hey, you know, drop me a comment or a like on the video. I always really look forward to seeing those. And then I will see you in the next episode.